Hey guys, it's Nyalarey and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be giving you guys like a little vlog style of me getting ready to go back to school. Psych, this is now a move-in vlog because all of the prep videos that I had weren't cutting it. So now after this intro, it's just gonna cut directly to move-in. If you didn't know, I go to Florida State University all the way up in Tallahassee, and I'm actually driving up tomorrow. So I have 24 hours to literally get my stuff together, and I don't have anything together. Like my room, y'all, my room. Look at my room. Let me not even let y'all see it too much because that is embarrassing. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. And let's get right into it. Hey guys, it's Editing Lila. My room is all finished. You only get to see the tapestry. I just wanted to let you guys know that I am fully aware that we are in a pandemic, okay? But I just want to let you know where I'm at personally, because I have been inside the house for the last 5 months. Like since I got sent home in March, I haven't been anywhere outside unless it's to go grocery shopping, and that time I moved out of my dorm and stuff like that. So I just wanted to let you guys know I don't have a roommate, so I'm not really exposing or exposed to anybody. I'm also wearing my mask, only going out when I need to. I haven't seen any of my friends yet, and I don't know when I'm gonna see them, if I ever am. But for the last 5 months, I've really been in my house, just kind of, it really took a mental toll on me, and I really just wanted a change of scenery. So I came back to campus, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I am taking the necessary precautions. And you should too. Wear your mask. Wear your mask. Because this needs to end ASAP. Wear your mask. Thanks. Right now, what I'm thinking is I'm gonna move the bed to this side of the room because I don't really want my bed head at the window. So we're gonna be doing that. My dad's parking the car right now, and I'm gonna try to move this by myself without breaking my nails. Yeah. Oh my God, Mom, this looks 10 times better. Okay, period. I've got the desk by the window. It looks so much better this way. Come on. My head hurts though. Hey y'all. So I have some Chipotle. I have a veggie bowl because I still can't chew on my mouth since I got my wisdom teeth out last week. When I went downstairs, I saw another FSU YouTuber. Her name is Victoria. That was really awesome though. Like I recognized her even with her mask on. That was fun. So my parents are in the kitchen right now, and I'm gonna make my bed after this. Ooh, I might have command hooks because I need to put my lights up. Like that is the most important part of this entire thing. Then I have my BTS frame or CD frame because there's other artists in it other than BTS. So I'm currently in the kitchen. My room still has a lot of stuff to do, but I feel like that's just packing out my clothes and whatnot. I'm gonna be unpacking some of the food that I have that I brought with me, and then we're gonna go, after that, after I finish, we're gonna go to Walmart to get everything left that I need. It already has some food that I brought, my Korean food. I still have a lot of unpacking too, so let me get my stuff together. Okay, so I'm kind of done in the kitchen. Now I'm back to my room. What I'm gonna do now is figure out how I'm gonna get my lights up, because this side of the room has the sprinkler, the fire alarm, and like 2 vent thingies, and I don't want to put my lights in front of it, get in trouble or whatever. So I'm gonna start from over the top of the I'm gonna start from next to the vent and go all the way around and hope that the next one ends before the next vent and I don't block any of it. Okay, I'm filming on my phone again because we are leaving to go to Walmart right now. I changed my pants again. So far in the room, don't want to show you too much, but so far I have one string of lights up. I'm getting more command hooks to put on that side of the wall. Still trying to figure out how to maneuver around these without, ow, obstructing all of that safety stuff. So we are headed out now. I gotta bring this back downstairs so I can get my ID back. Most of my cupboards are full with my stuff. And now we're just headed out. Let's go. Hey, so it's editing Nyla. I'm going to be giving you a haul of everything I got from Walmart because I didn't do it in the video. Anyways, I got some macaroni, a mini broom, this thingy, some measuring cups, some black pepper for spice, Gatorade, olive oil, a soap dispenser, a dish for my sponge, some Airwick thingy plugins, lemon Oreos, these bomb chips, some dish towels, this automatic air freshener for the bathroom, some pot cleaner, sponges, a towel for the floor, what is that, vitamin water, a mini dance break I guess, and then some shredded cheese. I love me some shredded cheese, some cookies, some butter. I have two different types of butter, some Royce for the toilet, a filter, air freshener, more air freshener, and command hooks, and another dance break. You're welcome. Okay guys, so it is now 10 o'clock at night. My parents went back to the hotel. I ate some pizza with them, but now that I'm back in the room, I still have a lot of stuff that I want to get done, and we're also going out for breakfast at 7 a.m. tomorrow. I think I work a lot better at night, so I feel like I'm gonna get a lot more stuff done now that I'm by myself and everything. Now I'm going to put up the plastic liner for the shower. Not me almost falling in the shower. I'm tired. Right now I'm still wearing the shower shoes that I bought from Walmart because I haven't unpacked my actual suitcase yet and my slides are in there. So yeah. Unpacking my clothes is going to be like the last thing I do because that's like the easiest. I did it. Okay, this lighting is like super, but I'm going to be putting up photos on this wall, which is where the light switch is. I also attached this extension cord to the wall. Honestly, I don't plan on plugging anything here besides the lights that I put up, so we'll see what happens. But this entire wall, I'm gonna put my pictures. I already put one to see how I could fit them. 4 pictures don't fit, so I have to overlap some of them with like dead space or whatever, so we're gonna try and do that. Yeah.
Why am I so afraid just to say a hello? Hey. Or to pick up the phone just to say what is up? It's been a long time and I've been thinking, give you a call to shoot the shit and fill you in, we're reminiscing. Yeah. On the dumb things we did when we were only little children. Up in the hills smoking cigarillos, waiting on a vision of what our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing. Yes, I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to anymore. Let's run it back and kick it like we used to.
Okay guys, it is now the next morning. I look a lot better than I did last night. I actually didn't even get a lot of sleep. I think I went to bed at like 6 a.m. and my dad called me and woke me up at 8:30. And my eyes were red earlier. Y'all did not want to see that. Everything's all moved in. I don't want to show you guys too much because I do plan on doing a room tour. If you want to see that, be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I also realized that since I live in Traditions, I'm right next to the practice field for the marching band. And they're practicing right now. Oh. If you like this video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. I am really happy with how my room turned out. I got my lights up. Oh, I can't wait for you guys to see like the final product. Like, I actually really like it. So thanks once again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Let's run it back and kick it like we used to. Or call me back and tell me something new. Now we're off of this.